Stuck in traffic again? Stop. Go. Stop. Go. This is where your transmission either makes life easy or completely frustrating. So, which transmission is actually best for traffic driving? Let's break it down. First, the manual transmission. In heavy traffic, manuals can get tiring fast. Constant clutch work, frequent gear changes. It's not just uncomfortable, it also increases clutch wear over time. Sure, manuals give you control, but in bumper-to-bumper traffic, that's not always an advantage. Next, the traditional automatic. Automatics handle stop-and-go driving effortlessly. No clutch, no stress. Just smooth acceleration and braking. Modern automatics are tuned for comfort, making them a great choice for daily city driving. Now, the CVT, or continuously variable transmission. CVTs are built for efficiency and smoothness. In traffic, they shine. No gear shifts, no jerks, just a constant, fluid driving experience. Plus, they often deliver better fuel economy in stop-and-go conditions. So here's the real-world verdict. Manual equals tiring and less practical in traffic. Automatic equals comfortable and easy. CVT equals smoothest and most efficient. If you're dealing with traffic every day, CVT and automatic transmissions are the clear winners. They reduce fatigue, improve comfort, and make your daily drive a lot less stressful. Manual equals more effort, less comfort in traffic. Automatic equals easy and reliable. CVT equals smoothest and most efficient option. Best choice equals CVT or automatic for daily commuting. Want more practical car advice like this? Hit subscribe and make every drive smarter.